Hey future entrepreneurs, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the golden world of Google free courses. Yes, you heard me right, Google free courses. These courses are offered by Google and these courses are totally free. And believe me, this can earn you up to $10,000 a month, especially if you mix them with the right side hustle. So stick around because I'm about to reveal the exact courses that Google offers to help you cash out and live the laptop life. Let's be real for a second. Why Google courses? Google isn't just a search engine, it's a gigantic knowledge hub. And they are giving access to some of the most in-demand skills in the world. And this is all for free. We are talking digital marketing, data analytics, we have UX design, and many more. So, if you are ready to level up your skills, get comfortable and grab a cup of coffee, maybe a glass of wine or whiskey if that is what you prefer, and let's dive into the first course that is offered by Google totally free. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, you want to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video till the end to get the most value from it. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos, and also thank you so much for all the support you put into growing this small community, the likes, the comments, the shares, and everything you do to grow this channel. I do not take you all for granted. Namaste. The first free course offered by Google that can actually help you to scale in your business is Google Analytics for beginners. Learn what's really happening on the website and take on the role like a digital analyst where you can easily make 70,000 US dollars per year. Plus, with a few clients, you could rank up to $10,000 or more per month doing analysis as a side gig. This sounds like a dream job, right? Let's go. The second free course we're going to talk about today that Google offers for free is Google Ads certification. If you're interested in mastering Google Ads, this certification can lead you into a marketing and consulting gigs that pays you big. Imagine getting $1,000 just to set up a campaign for small businesses. Isn't this amazing? So this is one of the courses that Google will offer you for free. All you need to do is to go to this link right here and you sign into it, and then you can sign up for these courses for free. This sounds like a dream, but I can confirm to this because the first time I tried to run a Google Ads, I actually paid $280 for what? To run a Google Ads, and you can actually learn this for free. You do not need any certificate or anything. All you need to do is to sign up for this course. You carry out the course and you learn how to run ads for other people, and you can actually earn up to $1,000 just to sign up or set up a campaign for small businesses and even for YouTubers, for content creators, and also for business people out there. If this is actually something you want to try out, go to the comments and type it right there, Google Ads, so that I will know you are interested in this. And if you try learning this to no avail, you can also go to the comments and let me know. I'm going to help you to start this course for free. Imagine There are a lot of small businesses, content creators out there that are looking forward to running Google ads on their content, on their business, and you can do this. I mean, if you actually sign up for this, you will be getting clients, at least 3 clients a week. And imagine if you have 3 clients and you have to charge them $1,000 per day gig, that means you'll be earning up to $3,000 a week. Now, I said before, you can actually earn up to $10,000 a week, but if your drive is high, you can actually make more per week depending on how good you are or the results your clients get. So, comment below if you're thinking of trying out Google Ads, and hit on that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more amazing content like this one right here. The third free course that you can actually learn today from Google for free is Google IT Support Professional Certificate. You do not need a tech degree to learn an IT gig. Google IT courses can start you with the basic and go all the way up, preparing you for support roles that will pay you well. Yep, you heard me right, and you guessed right. You can earn up to $10,000 monthly with experience and client base. The fourth course that we're going to talk about today that you can actually learn free from Google is UX Design Professional Certificate. Every app, every website, and online product need a designer. Google UX design courses get you the skills that you actually need, and you can actually charge premium rate for website and app designs. Imagine getting up to $2,000 per project. Now, imagine you doing 5 of those projects a month. How much are you going to earn? This is up to $10,000 a month. And I'm not kidding. Google will actually help you get a certification from this totally for free. You don't need any degree. All you need to do is to sign up and you learn. If any of this sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. We are only halfway through and the best courses are yet to come. The fifth course is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Companies are hunting for data analysts like crazy. This course teaches you how to turn data into decisions that will make money for companies. With just a few freelance gigs, you can start pulling in $10,000 a month. No jokes. You can actually earn up to $10,000 a month and even more from this. So you want to take your time right now, sign up into this course, learn and start earning money for yourself. The sixth job that you can actually learn for free from Google is Google Digital Marketing and e-commerce. Everyone is selling online these days. If you know digital marketing, the world is your playing ground. From managing Facebook and Google Ads to e-commerce strategies, this course is a gold mine if you are looking for high-paying gigs. Remember to hit that bell icon to stay updated, because we are constantly dropping tips and different platforms and different ways you can actually earn money from the online space, and you do not want to miss out on any of our videos. The seventh free course that you can actually learn from Google is Google Project Management Certificate. Are you organized? Are you a natural planner? If you are, project management could actually be perfect for you, and Google's courses can actually land you a lucrative contract. Amazingly, project managers can easily make 6-figure every year, even as part-time workers. So this is one of the fields that if you want to make 6-figure every year, then you want to become a project manager, and you can actually take your time and learn from Google for totally free. Do not forget to stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how you can actually get started with these courses on Google. The eighth free course that you can actually learn from Google is Google Cloud Computing Foundation. The tech industry is booming and cloud computing is totally hard. Learning Google Cloud tools could actually set you up to become a cloud solution architect for any company out there. You can actually become a cloud solution architect, making you very, very attractive to tech companies out there. So let me know on the comments if you're going to try this out or which of this you will try out the first, because I know a lot of you want to try 1, 2, or even 10 of these free courses from Google. The ninth free course that you can actually learn for free from Google is Android Basics by Google. You can actually learn to create Android apps from scratch, build your app and get it into an app store and start earning through ads and also through premium visions. The 10th free course that we're going to talk about today that you can actually learn for free from Google is Google AI and Machine Learning. Now, like I said, this is the last but not the least, and AI is everywhere today and it's paying big time. AI courses introduce you to machine learning. You could actually be part of the tech world and also you can be earning big in bulk working with AI. But here's the deal. Knowledge without action is just potentials, right? So which of these courses are you going to be trying out right now? To get started with Google free courses, just go to Google and you type in Grow with Google. You click on it and then you search for Grow with Google and you click right there just like so. And it's going to bring you to this interface where you have to click right here on Explore Training and Tools. When you've done that, you come below right here and you can either search for Grow My Career or Grow My Business. Now, below here, we have highlights of a lot of free courses that you can actually carry out. You can scroll through and select which one you like, but to make it easier, rather than going through thousands of courses, you can just go to the top left hand side where you see filter by topics, and then you select the topic that you are interested in. There are a lot of topics right there, and this is so that you can narrow down to exactly what you want. All right, so you can just click on the topic, and when you click on it, it's gonna pop up right here and you would see the different courses available for the topic you are interested in, just like so. Now below here we have types if you want online courses or you want physical courses. So when you click on online courses, because that is what we are looking for, it's going to pop up right there to select exactly online courses you want. Right here you can also select certificate to have a certificate after you have completed your course. Now if you scroll below right here, you're going to see the duration that you want to carry out this course per day. We have over 40 minutes for what we just selected. So this is actually narrowing down the courses to what you want exactly, the course or the field you want, the duration that you want to carry out this course, and also if you want to do it online and if you also need a certificate. All right, this is far way better than going through the thousands of online courses, which would take you a lot of time. So when you see the course, just click right there on it and it's going to bring out the course right here. You can read through and see if this is actually the course you are interested in. Because when you narrow down to the exact course and you go through the course, the details of the course or the detail of the course, you'll be able to know if this is what you want to do or not. Now, right here for Google IT Support Professional Certificate, you can click right here on Enroll for free, and there are over 1,600,000 people who are registered for this course. So just imagine the thousands of people who are queuing into this Google free courses. Now you can come back if you're not satisfied, and then you select another course and you read the details, and also you can click out if you had a lot of topics, or you can increase another topic if you did not find what you want, just like so. All right, and then right here you can select the course and you enroll for it. Now let's take an example right here. Click on it and it's going to take you to the course detail, Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate, one of the courses we talked about. And right here, over 800,000 people are registered for this free course. Now, if you go back right here to take another course, it is just as simple as that. Just click on any of them. You can narrow down on the topic or you increase the topic, and then you select the course you're interested in and repeat the process to enroll, and you get started. So let me know in the comments if you are interested, if you've registered for these free courses, and also when you get your certificate. All right. Amazing, right? So it's as simple as that for you to be able to start learning these courses for free. And these are just 10 amongst the thousands of courses that Google is offering for free. You can actually use this process and search for the course that you so desire. Remember, hit on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our next video. We're going to be talking about how you can actually market your skills and land a client for yourself. And do not forget to share this video if you know someone who could use a little extra cash for the month. All right, future entrepreneurs, see you on our next video. Keep searching, keep creating, and never, ever give up on anything you do. If you fall short anywhere on any of this, let me know on the comments and I'll be right there to help you if I can. See you next time. Love you all and bye-bye.